You know that moment when your pool looks perfect one day, and the next day it looks like a jungle moved in overnight? But here's the thing. In 2026, you don't clean your pool anymore. You let a robot handle it. And not just any robot. We're talking high-end, smart, almost scary good machines that do everything for you. So today, I'm breaking down 5 premium robotic pool cleaners that are changing the game. Number 1. Aiper Scuba V3. Alright, let's start with something that really sets the tone for 2026. The Scuba V3 is basically where AI officially entered the pool cleaning world and didn't ask for permission. This thing doesn't just move around randomly hoping for the best, it sees, literally. There's a front-facing AI camera that can recognize over 20 types of debris. Leaves, dirt, algae, sand, whatever you throw in there. It locks onto it like it's on a mission. And when you drop it into the pool, the first thing you notice is it doesn't panic. It doesn't bounce around like older robots. It hunts. For about 20 minutes, it goes into this AI patrol mode, scanning, targeting, picking off debris one by one, and then it switches into a clean, organized pattern to finish the job. Now here's what surprised me. It's fast, yes, but not magically 10 times faster than everything modern. That claim? A bit optimistic, but compared to older cleaners? Yeah, it absolutely destroys them. Design-wise, this thing looks premium, feels premium, and at around 18 pounds, it's actually manageable. Not feather-light like they claim, but definitely easier than most. And that wireless charging dock? That's one of those small things that makes a huge difference. No plugging, no worrying about wet ports. Just drop it in place and walk away. But here's where things get real. This cleaner needs the app. If you're someone who doesn't like using apps, skip this one, because all the smart features, and especially the weekly AI learning mode, live there. And yes, once it's underwater, no signal, no control, no come here button. You press start and you wait. Still, if you want a smart modern cleaner that actually adapts to your pool over time, this is a strong pick. Number 2. iGarden Pool Cleaner K Pro. Wow. If the V3 is the smart thinker, the iGarden K Pro is the one that just puts in the work. This thing is built like it has something to prove. First thing you notice? Battery life. We're talking up to 10 hours on floor cleaning, which is honestly insane. This isn't a clean and recharge everyday robot. It's more like clean twice a week and forget about it. And when it moves, you can tell it knows exactly what it's doing. No randomness, no hesitation. It follows these clean, structured S patterns across the pool, like it's mapping everything in real time. And when you switch to turbo mode, that's when it gets aggressive. Leaves, sand, heavier debris, it doesn't just pass over them, it attacks them. But here's the honest part. It doesn't have that fancy AI camera system like the V3, so it's not targeting debris visually. Instead, it relies on smart navigation and raw power. And surprisingly, that works really well. The 4-liter debris basket is another big win. You're not constantly emptying it after every run. And I really like the flexibility here. You can control everything from the robot itself, no app required. But the app is still there if you want scheduling and automation. The downside? Filtration stops at around 180 microns, so ultra-fine dust isn't its specialty. It handles visible debris perfectly, but your pool system still needs to handle the microscopic stuff. Still, if you want something reliable, powerful, and low maintenance, this one feels like a workhorse. Number 3. Beatbot Sora 70. Now this one is different. The Sora 70 doesn't just clean your pool, it controls the water itself. That jet pulse system? Honestly, one of the coolest things I've seen. Instead of just sucking debris, it creates water currents that pull debris toward it, like it's setting traps, especially on the surface. Leaves don't escape, and this is where it stands out the most. Most robots ignore surface cleaning or do it poorly. This one? It owns it. You'll literally watch it cruise across the top, collecting debris like a skimmer, then dive back down and scrub the floor. It's a full pool cleaner in the truest sense. Now combine that with 6,800 gallons per hour suction, a 6-liter debris bin, and up to 5 to 7 hours runtime. Yeah, this thing doesn't mess around. But there's a catch. It's not the smartest in terms of mapping like some others. It relies more on sensors and movement patterns than deep AI learning. And while it covers everything, it's not always the most efficient pathing machine. But honestly, it doesn't need to be, because the combination of suction plus water control just gets the job done anyway. And that floating surface parking? Super underrated. You don't go fishing for it, it literally waits for you. Number 4. Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro. Now we step into something that feels futuristic. The AquaSense 2 Pro is not just a cleaner, it's a 5-in-1 system. Floor, walls, waterline, surface, and then it does something no other robot here does. It actually clarifies your water. Yeah, this thing uses a natural clarifying agent and spreads it while cleaning. So instead of just removing debris, it improves water quality too. That's a completely different level. And navigation, super precise. With 22 sensors and a 4-core brain, it maps your pool and cleans in clean S and N patterns. It doesn't wander, it calculates. The remote control feature is also super fun. You can literally steer it like a toy boat to target specific spots. But here's the real highlight: 11 hours of surface cleaning. That's not a typo. This thing can just stay on top, maintaining your pool like a floating guardian. Now, the downside? It's definitely on the premium side, not just in features, but in price. And while the clarifier is amazing, it's an extra system you'll need to maintain. But if you want the closest thing to a fully automated pool care system, this is it. Number 5. Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. Alright, this one is interesting. On paper, the X1 Pro Max looks like the king. Huge power, 9 motors, 8,500 gallons per hour, full pool cleaning, smart mapping. It checks every box, but real-world use tells a slightly different story. Yes, it's powerful. Yes, it cleans everything, but it's heavy, and you feel it. Pulling it out of the pool isn't fun, especially after a long cycle. And because it's cordless, you're constantly dealing with charging. Clean to recharge to repeat. It's not set and forget, it's more like set and remember to charge. Also, the filtration system isn't as impressive as you'd expect at this level. It works, but it doesn't give you that ultra-polished water look some competitors achieve. And the app? Works great until it goes underwater. Then, it's gone? Still, if you want raw power, full coverage, and premium design, it delivers. Just know, it demands a bit more effort from you in return. So here's the deal. If you want smart AI cleaning, Scuba V3. If you want battery life and reliability, K Pro. If you want Surface Plus full coverage dominance, Sora 70. If you want total automation plus water clarity, AquaSense 2 Pro. If you want maximum power with trade-offs, X1 Pro Max. At the end of the day, the best robot isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that fits your pool, your habits, and how much effort you want to put in. Because the whole point of these machines is simple. You shouldn't be cleaning your pool anymore. Let the robot do it. If you made it this far, you already know more than 95% of buyers out there. Now the only question is, which one are you picking? Let me know.